Welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoy the show, guys. Again, this one is still up for sale, and we've got a GTI now as well for sale. Make an offer. But yeah, let me just show you the Golf 7 GTI. It's a real box of nonsense. So first of all, the bonnet shock is missing. The previous owner went to these funny LEDs, so he snipped all the wires. We need to figure out what's going on there. There's the aircon hoses are cut. You can see there, that one I can see it's cut, and there's some things lying underneath there. Engine cover is missing. There's some cable ties everywhere. Engine is very dirty, obviously leaking oil somewhere. We must still figure out. And then there's this funky intake with no filter, and again a wiring mess here. This car was obviously in an accident. The fender has some dents in it, and whoever tried to paint it did a really cuck job. You can see overspray everywhere. The bumper's not lining up. There's obviously some pieces missing. There you can see some more bumper pieces missing. Check the gap here. Yeah, it's also not right. I found out there's a nut missing there, so the fender here is a bit loose. Again, the paint job is horrible. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really horrible. The rims can also be done. Those brake discs, they obviously rusted from the long stand, but they don't have a ridge or anything. And then there's a bit of repair that needs to be done. The window is fucked. The sunroof is loose. Paint is cuck. The back doesn't look too bad, but paint is cuck. And overspray everywhere. This side it's missing a mirror, and the tires, all tires are, there's one good tire, but yeah, all of them are getting flat. So let's get inside. The door handle is a little bit mended. The switches, that one is loose. This one seems to be fine. So it's just that one. There's obviously the wear and tear. The seat is Had better days. What is that now? It's a piece of trim I broke off. Obviously a lot of wear and tear. I'm charging the battery, so I can't show the mileage. There's some trim pieces missing there. The release for the bonnet is missing. The router doesn't work. I don't know if it's here or there or whatever. This aftermarket radio is not very nice. He did a carbon fiber wrap here, which isn't very good, and some painting. Looks like it. I don't know. I'll figure that out. This console here is broken. The mirror came off. There's a mirror. The back piece, I must still find that trim, but there's a mirror. There's the rest of the trim piece up there. What is this now? One of these are for that's for the battery. This thing, where did this come off? I can't remember where this came off. Probably on there. Here's another thing disconnected with a wiring mess. I don't know what it's supposed to be. The car's filthy. Luckily my smell is cuck, so I can't tell you guys whether it stinks in here. It doesn't smell. I don't smell anything. The seat is in a little bit better condition. There's tears there, and there on the side. This thing has got wear. So whoever drove this car didn't really look after it. I assume there's some trim pieces missing there. This thing is a little bit hard to close. I don't want to force it yet. Yeah, so let's get it up in the air and show you the mess at the bottom. So let's start from the nice part. This back silencer looks original. Tires are smooth. I did check here, everything seems to be okay in the back. Same with this side. I don't see any rust. The exhaust is, I think they changed to a smaller silencer there. It's quite a thick pipe. And then here's where the oil starts. Now I'm hoping it's just spray from there coming this way. It's dislocated. It's not in there, so that's possibly engine mountings. This looks fine, but it's a dirty engine down here. I must get this cleaned and take it from there. At least, okay, so it looks like the oil is coming from up there somewhere and pissing all over from there onwards. These front shocks looks in a bad condition. The springs, not the shock, the actual spring. However, the shock might be bent. I'll take it out and have a look. The same, you can see that spring, how crooked it is. This spring is worse than that one. But my main concern is over here. It looks like this part is kinked. And I mean, there's some paint missing. So it's possibly that it's fucked. The suspension is broken. The chassis, sorry, not the suspension, the chassis. Further on it looks fine, it's just this part here. All the way to there. So from there downwards, looks bad. However, this side one also has a funny twist in it, but it's not missing paint. So I'm not sure. I'll have to go underneath another one and check. Yeah, furthermore, everything, there's a lot of loose wires, things that are hanging loose, cut off wires. It's just, yeah, whoever tried to mend this thing did a horrible job. The radiator looks new, but yeah, this is the intake pipe. There they've been throwing fiberglass. I must maybe replace this pipe here. That doesn't look good at all. And yeah, the aircon's not even plugged in. Found the washer motor. It's missing all these inside trims. So yeah, guys, that is my new GTI. Always wanted one. So you can see here how low it is because of that spring there. This spring, this is the other side, also a bit low, but not as low as the passenger side. The back seems to be fine. So it's just the front that needs some work. I've ordered some suspension parts for this one, so soon she'll be handling again better than what she is. Remember, we did the ABC suspension swap to coilovers, so the suspension is a lot better than what it was, but she's got some body roll on our corner. So we bought the torsion bars for front and back to be installed soon. That is it, guys, for tonight. Hope you enjoyed the show. If you're interested in the GTI, pop me a mail. We can make a price. Cheapest GTI in South Africa, I'd say. Enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed the show. Click the like button, click the subscribe button like always, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.